Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Not a whole lot going on. However, it's all about to happen. Remember, typically you see Bitcoin moves Sunday night Eastern time, Monday morning, right? Traditional markets open up. You see volatility. You can kind of expect that idea over the course of the entire bull run for Bitcoin. Monday morning moves. Anyone? Before we jump into this analysis, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel. I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. In 2 days, $500 in Bitcoin. All you have to do is subscribe, comment, like the video. Make sure to leave a comment. All right, this is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Remember, we talked about this idea yesterday. The bulls need to pump this price, right? Essentially make sure that this high right here is higher than this high, right? Because that would pull the indicators. Essentially right now you got possible hidden bearish divergence. So if this doesn't push higher, you start to get a downturn, you'll get an exacerbated move to the downside. I mean, maybe we come down here to 54,200. You could get this like inverse head and shoulders bullish pattern. I mean, you could obviously retrace down here, double bottom at this point, okay? I mean, you have to assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't, you know, so will it move to 49,000 be in the cards is the question. Now, bullish scenario is you get a breakout to the upside by the breakout, $70,000 target. Zoomed in, here's what I've been watching. So you got this rising channel, this white rising channel, right? And then there's a rising channel, rising wedge inside this channel. So there's a ton of resistance right here at about 56,500. They haven't been able to break above that. So now what's going to happen in here? Essentially, the price action is getting squeezed. So I mean, we're looking for a move as soon as we get to this apex of this channel and this resist. Something's got to break. Something either the channel breaks to the downside, 68% chance, or bulls show up and pump this price head up higher, upper trend line of this major pattern for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady, she stated, I joined his trading group and I made the money back in 2 days. That's the thing. The group is cheap. Like you can pay for the entire year in 1 or 2 trades. Like this person, $25,000 profit in 2 weeks. Crypto Revolution. Got Patrick Lawson stated, you have been my moon mission commander since I started crypto, and gave me the know-how to turn. He turned $500 into $15,000. All the time I have people hit me up, Chris, is this enough to start with? I want you to start with a small amount. I want you to start with a small amount and then work bigger. Work bigger over time with your success rate. 99% of the people who join the group are brand new to trading. These are not experienced traders. They have never traded before, ever. Bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. I'll make sure you're in the best and most profitable setups for the entire bull market. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. These are some recent setups that have had some amazing profits. Audio, 528% profits in 1 month. One USDT, 118% profit in 6 days. Got them. DREP, 185% profits. Huge gains. All right, so news. Let's run through this. Yearn Finance. I got a setup for this guy. We haven't heard a whole lot of YFI. We haven't heard a whole lot out of it, right? So Yearn Finance now, the total value locked is at an all-time high. This is the gentleman, potentially the CEO of COS. And so basically he talks about how they're going to execute a token burn. And the details are going to be announced essentially tomorrow, and then completed tomorrow evening. Remember, with these token burns, they're reducing the coin supply, right? Normally, like this news a lot of times will pump it, but also, the price increase takes a little bit of time to kind of slowly play out. But IOTX comes out with this, and they said, hey, IOTX 2.0 is coming the third quarter. Of it down on your whiteboard, get organized. Like this news, every time I go over this news every day with you guys, I want you to make notes. Wax NFT blockchain. I gave you guys the setup previously. Wax is not taken off yet. A lot of these NFT projects, I'm looking at maybe making an NFT video just on some NFT setups, because they've been starting to take off. Okay, I mean, a lot of the altcoins have, but these NFT coins, when they get going, like they've had a lot of momentum. And so Wax is the new altcoin bridge. Now, Wax is on KuCoin. WaxP is on KuCoin. You make a KuCoin account. There's a link in the description that supports the channel. There's a ton of tiny little altcoins on KuCoin, and it's crazy to see the explosive price action we're seeing in these small caps. Large caps aren't really doing a whole lot. So you got to shift your focus. You got to adjust to what this market gives you all the time. So they've got this altcoin bridge. So the latest development allows you to transfer your USDT to the Wax blockchain. So they've got WaxP powered marketplace, which is going to enable Wax USDT payments. So altcoin bridge. And then they've got an ultimate guide that they just came out with, how to create NFTs, and it just went live. What the heck is an NFT? Saturday Night Live skit. You guys got to check this out. It's pretty hilarious. I can't play it because it's got Eminem song in the background. They do a skit about it. It's pretty funny. This is Alice. And so if you guys remember, we talked about Alice. And essentially in Alice, you have these, you buy and own virtual lands. You collect these items and you meet new friends. Okay, so, and there's NFTs tied to it as well. And so now they came out and they announced that there's this first land sale. Now this is already pumped, but I just want to make a point here because I gave it to you before it pumped. And so again, this land sale is coming out. Again, NFT project pumping. I'm going to go over Alice with you guys because I gave you guys this setup right here. Do you guys remember this? Anybody? I gave it to you guys about a week ago. And I said, where are all the Alice BTC Moon Boys at? Like, listen, when you get a crazy pump on this, when you get parabolic pumps, on average, you get about a 75% retrace. Here it was 76, okay? So when these coins are pumping crazy, just know, like, hey, these will go back through this reaccumulation. Now, essentially, this could have been the bottom, but it actually dropped lower. So what we're looking for here, you can clearly see all the moving averages coming in. There's not enough price action yet. There's no 200 moving average, right? Because the 200 moving average is the average of the last 200 candle closes. Well, there weren't 200 candle closes yet, so there's no yellow simple moving average. 200 simple comes in here. Okay, you see how it dropped down? You could easily, in TradingView, right-click your 200 moving averages and just set alerts on them. The coins that you're trying to get into, whenever the price action gets to the 200, like you see, when they're good buys when a coin is trending lower, and then you get explosive moves to the upside because bots buy on the exact same idea, right? Bots buy on the same idea. Traders, bots, okay. I mean, traders program the bots, okay, but you see here, it broke above it and it failed, right? They got this little double bottom, broke above it, and it retested, and then boom, took off. Like, be patient. When you're buying these coins, Alice got a lot of upside. Now, it's pulling back now, but I mean, you want to look for good entry. But just know, like, these NFT projects, they're going to run again, and they'll run together. People notice in this market, like, oh, look, the Chinese coins are running. Oh, the NFTs are running. Oh, DeFi is running, right? And they try to, people that don't have any technical analysis skills, they kind of group these coins together and find those. And they trade just solely based on this idea, right? And okay, NFTs. So NFTs are picking up, so pay attention to those. This is ICX. Posted on the 27th yesterday. 16,000 people saw this. 16,000 people saw this. 20% gains real quick. out of ICX. Now, new setups. This is Link BTC. Link hasn't done a whole lot lately. You haven't heard a lot out of it, right? So look how you got this previous breakout, right? You see this breakout right here? See this breakout volume? You got this huge green volume spike right here, okay? That tells you this level is very valid for resistance, and the breakout was recognized by the entire market. Notice, just side note here, you got the 200, we just talked about that yellow line, retested it, what happened? Boom. It happens all the time. Watch. Now, you got this falling wedge. It's running out of room. This same resistance level is now support, right? And so, I mean, Link is being squeezed right here. I mean, you're going to take profits at these levels. You'll buy the breakout of this falling wedge, right? Which also could be a giant bull flag. Gas running out of room here. Buy the triangle breakout. Buy the triangle breakout for gas. Targets over here. These white blocks. Pause the screen. You can check it out. AVA BTC. Buy the bull pennant breakout. So nice consolidation. This is kind of, imagine this price action just spooling up, ready for the next move higher. So buy the breakout of the AVA bull pennant. This is YFI, and again, total value locked is at an all-time high. This is a good technical pattern. Notice how, remember that yellow 200? Here we are. See how the price action came back down here and just bounced based on that idea? Okay. Here it did it too, twice. Bounce, bounce. Right, and then move to the upside. Like literally, you can go in, you can right-click these, and you can set your alert based on this idea. But again, YFI, USDT. This is on Coinbase. You know, Coinbase coins, when they get going, the pumpsters, the new retail money, likes to pump these prices. So you got a potential, possible bullish MACD cross coming. Keep an eye on YFI. You're going to buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Here's your targets right here. You can see this trend line that's been drawn. So basically we're looking for that to play out, as well as this falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside. CRV, moon mission coming. Listen, it retested previously, and so I posted this in the trading group earlier, and retested previously, starting to move. So I mean, the safe entry is buy the breakout of this level. If you get a Bitcoin pullback, you get another retest here. This is a quick Bitcoin update. So that pullback I was just talking about for the CRV entry, potentially Bitcoin is pulling back. I mean, how much of a move to the downside? I mean, you don't want to buy a bunch of CRV and then Bitcoin continues lower. So be smart about your buys. Scale in. You're buying support for CRV, but right. But I mean, look. Whenever I talk to you guys and I show you a pattern that looks textbook, like you can't find a better looking cup and handle, right? And so know that before these coins actually take off and explode, these are some of the best setups. So keep an eye on CRV. Now look, all the targets are over here. You could see $4, $5, $6.40 CRV possibly, based on the targets of this pattern. So just over $3 right now. So there's 80, 90, 100% gains coming, possibly for CRV USDT. So keep an eye on this one. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.